This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Bank of America. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, look for the Transfers or Payments tab in the main menu. Click on it to find the option for requesting payouts. Step 3. Select the Payout option. In the Payout section, choose the type of payout you want to request. This could include options like transferring funds to another account or withdrawing cash. Step 4. Enter payout details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before finalizing your request, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your payout request and wait for a confirmation notification. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts through Bank of America. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.